So about minus 16. Looks like about 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Some of you guys like to see cold start videos. So here's no cold start. 02 Dodge Ram. Cummins turbo diesel. Hasn't been plugged in overnight. It's about minus 15 Celsius. Wait, the start light is on. And we'll fire it up. I am running 540 synthetic oil though. So that should make a big difference. Dual Optima batteries make a huge difference as well. Alright, here we go. I'd say she's pretty cold, but we got good oil pressure right from the beginning, so yeah, that's all she is. Let her warm up for a while before we go.